Good day everyone. Today we are going to talk about cyberbullying and cybercrime. So, what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying harassment using digital devices like phone, computer, or tablet. So, ano ba yung cyberbullying? Ang cyberbullying is pang-aapi or pananakit gamit ang internet or gadget like phone or computer. Hindi lang siya simpleng asaran, mas serious siya kasi pwede kang masaktan emotionally. For example, may nagchat-chat sa'yo ng masasakit na words or pinapahiya ka sa social media. That is cyberbullying. So next, common types. First is plumbing, sending rude or angry message online. Parang nakikipag-away ka online for yung mga purong galit at bad words. So second, denigration, spreading rumors or false information. So ito yung mga sinisiraan ka or nagpapakalat ng fake chismis. So next, masquerading, using fake account to bully others. So ito yung mga gumagamit ng fake account para i-bully ka. Next, yung fact, can happen anytime 24/7, leave a permanent digital footprint. So, ang scary sa part na to, kasi pwede siyang mangyari anytime, 24/7, at yung mga post na online, hindi basta nawawala ka. Kaya, ang epekto nito is hindi lang physical, kundi mental at emotional damage din. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime, illegal activities involving computer, network, or the internet. Ang cybercrime is illegal na gawain gamit ang internet or computer, meaning pwede kang makulong if gagawin mo ito. So next, major types. First is phishing, stealing personal information through fake message or link. Ito yung mga may magpapanggap na legit like bank, tapos kukunin yung info mo. So second, identity theft, using someone else's personal data without permission. So ito naman yung ginagamit yung personal info mo na without permission. So last is, or third, hacking, accessing system without authorization. Ito yung pinapasok account mo or system mo nang wala kang alam, no? So delikado ito kasi pwedeng manakaw yung account mo, personal info mo, or even money. Kaya dapat maging alerted tayo sa online. Prevention and safety. For cyberbullying, stop, wag natin patulan para hindi na lumala, or i-block natin yung bully, and report, sasabihin sa teacher, parents, or authority. Save evidence, screenshot, mag-screenshot para may proof. Next, for cybercrime, use strong password and 2FA. Mag-2FA para may extra security. So, avoid suspicious link. Iwasan natin yung mga mag-click ng suspicious link. Refer to Philippines National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group, National Bureau of Investigation Cybercrime Division. If may problema, pwede i-report sa PNP or NBI. Okay, so remember, think before you click and stay safe online. Thank you.